Hello, I'm Otto and I'm going to make a light box for you. Okay, so here is the cutting. We'll put it with the creased sides up. First of all, we have to see these holes well cut but are not some emptied, so I have to do this to clear it. Here, here, that's it. Get rid of those bits. Well, now we pre-bend it. I'll wait for 5 seconds to sort of remember the shape. Now the fun starts in exercise. Oh! Yeah! Fine. Oh, this bit has to come out of karate chop. We'll use it later. Now, a few more bends. This. This and this. Now the side bends. And now I have a little trick where I use the whole body, which means putting these holes in. Now bring it up like this. Oh, sorry. I forgot to apply tape. You see what is in the head must be in your feet. That's it. I forgot. So here we go again. Then I bring this forward and this down, this up, and offer these lugs into the holes. So they come out nice and fully. Now we locate those holes. Press on the Velcro or on the tape. Make sure that the holes correspond. Now, these tacks, pre-bend them and flatten them and push them into these openings. If it doesn't help it with the screwdriver, just push it in. Okay. Now I've got to bring some more tape. Okay, I have some tape. I apply it over the locks. This two-fold use. Belt over braces, belt over the locks, and also to make sure that we can have a Velcro on the other side to hold it in place. I use a staple gun to hold it in place. Oh, still using. Now here are points to show where the other hook Velcro goes. And again I use a staple to over the adhesive to hold it in place. Okay. So this is the box. You see it is just enough stickiness to hold it in place and not too much force needed for disturbing your internal setup if you are filming or photographing with the lid open or closed. Now, the harness. We have a little door here. Close it down, make it flush afterwards. Channel the cable through. Need some screws and screwdriver. Use the bottom holes first, so I can locate it on the bottom hole. Visually line up the top hole. The other socket. Now we'll tidy up the cables. This is to hold the cable in the corner of the box. Here we have a box. I'll test it. Use my light bulb in the last socket to make sure that if it's going all the way there, then the other sockets will be functional as well. Plug it in. Click it a few times. Yes, we have a working box. Eureka! Oh my God! You know, there's a bit of exercise in it. Not just sitting behind the desk, behind the computer. Recover my test light bulb. Now I'll show you packing my lights inside. Test for unbroken light bulbs. If they are broken, you will hear the glass sort of rattle, not the cardboard rattle. Stick them together. Now I put them at the bottom because you never know what the postman does to it. stick it to the floor or to the back of the box like this. Rub the cable with a bit of slack. Put it back in the bag. Tape it over light bulbs. Sticky stuff goes everywhere, you know, it's static. So when it's stuck, it looks like this. And I put it through the window to show you why. This is the backdrop. This is the basic light box with the small 11 watt light bulbs and the only white backdrop. The Lightbox Pro comes with 20 watt light bulbs and the color selection of backdrops. Then I put in the instruction manual. Oh, I tick which one it is. This is L-Box. And the cutout. Some people can make a round cutout in it. If you are photographing silver or some shiny material, you don't have to see yourself in the item. This way only the camera lens will be sort of looking into the box. So I check that in. And for good measure, oh, Zefa, one Haribo. And this is your light box ready to pack in a plastic bag and in a cardboard. And we have icing on the cake, which is the machine label, which I apply like this. Okay, that finishes the box. Thank you. Bye bye.